Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a couple of really cute farmhouse DIYs, and thank you so much for joining me today. I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Alright, that's it. Let's get on to the DIY. For this one, I'm using one of these Dollar Tree wooden arrows and then mixing the regular chalkboard paint and a white acrylic paint to make a mixture of gray, and using a baby wipe, I'm just going to use that to make the stain on the wood.
Wake me up, I'm getting tired of sleeping. Think I've had enough. I've been gone but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me.
So I wrote my word out with pencil and then I went over it with some chalk marker, but it looks like the chalk marker just kind of was absorbed into the wood and it wasn't as vibrant as I wanted it to be. So what I did was use one of these Dollar Tree chalkboard. It's not like a crayon, it has like, I guess it is kind of like a crayon. It has a really waxy consistency, and so I just went over the marker with that and it gave it a brighter color. You guys, it's 11:08 at night right now, so if I fumble over my words, that is why. I am super tired. You guys, I do want to let you know that today's video is sponsored by VIPon, who I have worked with before. So VIPon is a coupon site that's linked to Amazon, and every single day they get hundreds of new coupons and deals that you guys can check out. You can download it on your phone or use the desktop site. It's super easy. You can get up to 50% on Amazon deals by signing up for their newsletter. You could be the first to know about certain deals. It's super easy to sign up. All you gotta do is just sign up and enter your email address, whatever you want to use. As you can see, there's all sorts of gadgets and products that you can purchase. So what they do is these are directly linked to Amazon. So if you go to Amazon and search something that you'd like, you can always come on to VIPon to see if they do have that product or merchandise available with a deal. They have a lot of different categories: arts and crafts, automotive, electronics, etc. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go to this little search bar and search for farmhouse, since, you know, this is a farmhouse themed video. And I didn't find too much, but I did find this chandelier, which is super cute, and it's 50% off. Oh, you can also earn points. So you earn 100 points, you get $1. So anytime that you get a coupon, that you sign in, that you comment on a product, you're going to earn those points to earn cash as well. Cash and free products. So there you go, super good deals, easy to sign up, free to sign up. A link in my description box, you guys. Thanks so much for your support. For this one, I'll be using two of these Dollar Tree wooden utensils that I'm going to spray paint in silver, and then using the same two colors that I've been using all along, I'm going to make a mix. It's going to be a little bit darker, more of like a black hint. I'm just going to go ahead and use some tissue to dab it onto the utensils to give it that galvanized look. For this one, I'll be using a total of 12 wooden blocks and then a little bit of foam board. I'm going to glue together 2 rows of 4 and 2 rows of 2, glue those together to create my frame, and then trace out my foam board and glue it to the inside of this frame.
Stumbling out of bed and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that
Just so you guys know, these are poster board stickers from Dollar Tree.
forever, I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste it.
For this one, I'm going to reuse this Dollar Tree tub from a different DIY. I'm going to take my hot tool and melt through the bottom. Yeah, Mama. And then I'm going to take my scissors and cut through the sides. Okay, you guys, now it's 9:52 in the morning and Milani's joining me. So anyways, I know I cut this in half, but I actually ended up taking a little bit more off one of the halves just so that it doesn't stick out too much from the wall. And then I'm going to do the back with the foam board, and you guys can use the sawtooth hangers or twine or whatever. And then you guys can decorate it however you want. I'm just going to put some Dollar Tree and Walmart greenery inside of it.
And I promise that I will stand by you forever.
For this last DIY, I'm going to be using one of these Dollar Tree frames, and I'm going to take the glass out, and using my chalkboard paint, I'm going to give it 3 coats, but I'm going to let it dry between each coat. And taking my Walmart twine, I'm just going to go ahead and glue it around the frame. Now I'm going to take these little Dollar Tree clothespins and I'm going to go ahead and glue them to the side. So taking my chalkboard marker, I'm going to write down my days of the week. This is going to be like a menu sign, and then I'm going to glue the little pins to the side, and taking little slips, little pieces of paper, I'm going to write down what's on the menu for that day.
They hold nothing next to you, 'cause you're shining like no other. Ooh, I don't want what's wrapped in paper. No, I don't know.
Alright guys, that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up. Leave me your comments down below. Let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.